Hello friends, welcome back in Queen's Frenzy. 12-second quiz test. Let's start now. What is this called? Grinder. What is this called? Toaster. What is this called? Oven. What is this called? Refrigerator. What is this called? Cooking range. What is this called? Kettle. What is this called? Dishwasher. What is this called? Chopper. What is this called? Cutter. What is this called? Basin. What is this called? Plates. What is this called? Cups. What is this called? Glass. What is this called? Frying pan. What is this called? Cutlery. What is this called? Cutting board. What is this called? Beater. What is this called? Knife. What is this called? Opener. What is this called? Bowl. What is this called? Spatula. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.